Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Ethereum. I want to show you guys a nice Ethereum and Bitcoin gas fee, or Ethereum gas fee visualization and a Bitcoin fee visualization, since gas fees are all the hype right now because everybody hates paying them. And I want to talk to you about a project that is trying to alleviate that, and it is not connected to Polkadot. Also, it is connected to Coinbase. So we'll get right into that. If you're excited about that, go ahead and like the video even before we start. So what? Subscribe to the channel because I bring you these videos all the time. Not always right, not always wrong. And this is not financial advice. Everything you do with your funds is your responsibility. So if you get gains and you 10x your money, that is your fault. And if you get losses and you lose everything, that is your fault. So be responsible. Never invest more than you can't afford to lose. So Ethereum has been on a freaking hype train because everybody's like, yo, it's above its all-time high. And I'm not even gonna lie, we're all waiting for it to do what Bitcoin did once it hit its all-time high. I just want to point out the fact that a lot of coins are hitting their all-time high right now, so a lot of things are looking like they're going to go ahead and break out, but it's not really for sure, but it's almost for certain. So I don't know, like me, I'm thinking like for sure this stuff is going to happen. Like, you know, history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. Unless something crazy happens, it's looking pretty good. Innovation is happening. But if you come on CoinGecko, you can click right here on the little all-time high tab, and you can see that you can click right here on the date. You can see that a lot of coins this month have been hitting their all-time high. We're having an excellent month, and a lot of coins right now we're having a red day. So it is buy the dip season, you guys. If you can, put the money in them dips and go ahead and collect your currency. Next thing I want to talk about is, oh yeah, and here's the ETH chart that I have up right here in an uptrend, in an up channel. Could come back down. Long as we don't go over $1,100, I think we are still looking pretty good for Ethereum. DYDX is looking like it broke out of a downtrend to the upside, so hopefully it just keeps going down because whatever. Hopefully the dollar does good because I live in the US, but other than that, whatever. Bitcoin dominance. Now this is one that I have to actually say, I hope this goes down because I'm banking on this thing going down, and the more money that goes from Bitcoin into altcoins, the better. I don't think that started happening yet. I think that this is just showing that altcoins, which you can see right here, are picking up some momentum. I don't think it actually means that money is trickling into altcoins yet. I have to see something like this happen. This flippening means that money started trickling in. Till that happens, I'm not buying it right now. I'm just gonna say, hey, look, this is good for the altcoins because it's showing us a representation that whether money's trickling down or whether new money is coming in, it's just showing us that, you know, altcoins are doing good things versus Bitcoin. Looking at the total too, we can see that altcoins are doing good things right now. Over the last couple of days, the market cap had a good, about $100 billion increase in the last 22 days, so that's pretty good. So I think the hype cycle for altcoins is starting to pick up, and that starts with Bitcoin getting on everybody's attention, and everybody say, oh, I missed altcoins, and then they say, I missed Bitcoin, what should I buy next? And then they call me and I say, buy Ethereum, buy Chainlink. And this is not financial advice, but you should buy those and stuff like that. So you guys know how it goes. Them gas fees is tearing everybody up, ain't they? I mean, I wanted to buy some coins today. I'll tell you the coins that I wanted to buy. I wanted to buy DAO, DAO. I wanted to buy some more AGI. I wanted to buy DOT. That's not related to the gas fees, but I wanted to buy some more DOT. I wanted to buy GHT, and I wanted to buy RLC. So if you're not into any of those coins, go ahead and look into them. I think they have a lot of potential. Pretty good. But back to what I wanted to talk about. I was going to buy some coins today, and the transaction fee was about $50. So I'm like, yo, I'm not about to spend $1,000 or even $5,000 and pay $50 on a coin. It's just not feasible. These fees are not feasible. So then what? What do we do? Well, there is Avalanche. So Avalanche right now is a coin that I've talked about on this channel before. Check that video. I'll try to remember to put it in the cards. So Avalanche is doing some pretty cool things. And if you come over to their Twitter, and if you're not on Twitter, then you should probably be on Twitter if you want to find some good research for these tokens and do some fundamental analysis. If you're a trader, it doesn't really matter to you. I know that. I'm both. But if you're into fundamental analysis and sentiment analysis, head over to Twitter and check out what's going on with them. So right here it says, just in the last days since mainnet, our ecosystem is growing at an incredible pace with projects like Chainlink, there's that Chainlink, Polyant Games, Binance, and more. So that made me say, that's why this price has been going up. Since I talked about it, it was about $2 something or $3, and now it's about $12 going on 13. Looking good, looking good. The market cap right now is below $1 billion, but it's looking like it needs to get there, or it wants to get there soon. Circulating supply is still pretty low. I'm not sure really what this means. Maybe this means however many are locked, and this is what's in circulation. But compared to the total supply, I want to see more of that total supply over here. That's going to make me feel a little bit more comfortable about holding this token. But in the last 30 days, up 300%. Why? Because all of these integrations that they have going on and what they can do. And I have it pulled up here in this article, and it says Avalanche ecosystem is rapidly expanding. Private securities, ILOs, DEXs, synthetic stablecoins, all the buzzwords that you've been hearing about in DeFi. And they have an Ethereum bridge that allows people to take advantage of what they're saying is higher throughput than Visa, and that this is also compatible with the EVM and 100% compatible with existing Ethereum tooling. Already 100% compatible with existing Ethereum tooling. And I think that's why you see companies like Scrutinize and L. Why is that a tongue twister? That's not even a tongue twister. ILO. Why am I getting tongue twisted on that? ILO. This one is a very interesting one. It's another DEX that I'm going to look into after I check out this video. I was reading this article and it brought this to my attention. And also this Polyant Games. So I feel like Avalanche is one of those coins with an ecosystem like this that a lot of people are sleeping on. Also, when it helps out what's going on with Ethereum. So Polkadot's getting a lot of the shine right now, but Avalanche has been also slowly doing its thing. So DYOR, jump into Avalanche. If you're a developer, jump into that thing, check out the code. If you're like me, you're an investor, look at what's good with it, look at the team, look at what the use case is, look at if they're working, look at if people are actually using it, and stuff like that. So this is the ETH gas station visualization that I wanted to show you guys right here. On the right side is showing you this is the Bitcoin blockchain right here. Pending transactions is 25,000, and all these people are getting in line for the bus. Let me refresh this real quick. This is what it really looks like. So you have all these transactions right here. Each one of these people represents a transaction on the blockchain, and they are waiting to get on this blockchain and get on these buses and get sent out, from wherever they are onto the blockchain. So you see, this is why people say Bitcoin is really slow. Ethereum is also pretty slow, and this is how it works over on Ethereum. When you pay your GUI fee, you get put in line right here. That's why the higher fee of GUI you pay, the quicker your transaction goes through. So here's a good visualization of that. You see these people, they're getting to the front of the bus because they're paying a little bit more. And these people, they wait a little bit longer and they pay a little bit less. And they're still getting transactions through, but you can see that scroll back all the way back up. You can see that the ones that are paying the top dollar, they're paying the high fee. You know, those are the ones getting pushed through on the Ethereum blockchain. So this is a pretty cool website for you to check out. It's called ticketstreet.com, and you can see different blockchains. They got Ethereum Cash, and Bitcoin. Nothing is happening on Bitcoin Cash right now. Did I say Ethereum Cash? I meant Bitcoin Cash. But yeah. So yeah, check out AVAX. Hopefully the Bitcoin dominance continues down. Hopefully Bitcoin continues pumping at the same time. That means things are looking good for altcoins. Check out the website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Hit me up if you need anything. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment in the comment box, and share it. Till next time, peace.